Did you know that nearly 90% of American households use air conditioning, but only a fraction are aware of the energy-efficient and smart options available today? It's predicted to be a scorching summer, and while many of us rely on our trusty AC units, not all of them are as efficient or convenient as they could be. Window air conditioners are a staple for keeping small to medium-sized rooms cool without breaking the bank. What should you look for when shopping for a modern air conditioner? Cooling capacity. Measured in BTUs, this determines how much space the unit can cool. Energy efficiency. Look for units with high SEER ratings and inverter technology for better energy savings. Smart features. Wi-Fi and voice control can add significant convenience, allowing you to control your AC remotely. The ROVSUN Wi-Fi window air conditioner not only aims to cool your space, but also offers advanced features that promise both energy efficiency and modern convenience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and can save you both energy and hassle this summer. Equipped with the latest compressor and motor, this AC unit efficiently cools rooms up to 440 square feet. It offers a dehumidifier and fan-only mode, providing versatility for different weather conditions. Thanks to advanced inverter technology, this AC unit delivers up to 35% more energy savings compared to traditional units. With a SEER rating of 15.0 and an eco-friendly design, it's not just good for your comfort, but also for your wallet and the environment. With the Wi-Fi enabled and voice control options, you can control the unit via the panel, remote control, smartphone app, or even voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. The ROVSUN air conditioner features robust construction and high-quality components, ensuring a long service life. The copper motor and high-efficiency compressor are designed to withstand heavy use while maintaining optimal performance. Thanks to its pre-assembled design of side panels, installation is a breeze with this unit. Simply slide it into place, secure it with the included screws, and you're ready to go. It fits windows with a width of 24 to 36 inches and a height of 14.5 inches. Here are 3 key features that make the ROVSUN Wi-Fi window air conditioner a sweet buy. 1. Smart control capability. Seamlessly adjust settings via smartphone, remote, or voice control for ultimate convenience. 2. Energy efficiency. Advanced inverter technology and a 15.0 SEER rating ensure significant energy savings and lower electricity bills. 3. Ultra-quiet operation. Enjoy a peaceful environment with noise levels as low as 42 dBA in sleep mode. Ready to upgrade your cooling experience? Click the link below to get your ROVSUN Wi-Fi window air conditioner and enjoy efficient, smart, and quiet cooling all summer long. If you found this review as sweet as a scoop of your favorite ice cream, give us a thumbs up. Sprinkle some love by hitting that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest sugar-coated reviews. You are simply sweet for watching this review. Thanks and see you in the next video.